Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll show you how to fix update fail in Discord. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video. Task Manager, and once you have opened it, just find Discord, just click on it, and then end task. And now what you need to do is press Windows button plus G in the Windows, type in run, and write in app data. Once you do that, this will open, and click on roaming, and here you can find the Discord folder. Let me just delete the cache folders and this blob storage too. So just delete it, delete cache, and down cache, GPU cache, that blob storage, code cache too. And once you have finished this step, close it, then run the Windows, run the this app again, and then type in percentage local app data percentage. And once you have done it, it will open this page right here. I'm in the folder right here, and then just click on it, click on the Discord folder, and here you can see this update file, and just rename it to update.old. And once you have done that, just close the all four windows and restart your PC and restart it again. After opening it, open up your Discord app and it should be running once again. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.